Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up your domain's email address in your Gmail.com account. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you want to add your domain-based email address. This setup allows you to send messages from Gmail while displaying your custom business or domain email address, which can help keep your communication more professional and consistent. Once you're inside Gmail, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where Gmail keeps most of the tools for customizing how your account works. After clicking the gear icon, look for the option that says See All Settings and select it to open the full settings page. From there, click on the Accounts and Import tab. This section is where Gmail lets you manage connected accounts, imported mail, and alternate sending addresses. When the page loads, scroll down until you find the Send Mail As section. In that area, click Add another email address. A pop-up window will appear. In this screen, enter the name you want recipients to see when they receive your email. This could be your own name, your company name, or the format you normally use in professional communication. Then enter your domain-based email address in the email field. Take a moment here to double-check for spelling errors, since even a small typo can prevent the setup from working correctly. After filling out the form, continue by following the prompts shown on your screen. Gmail will guide you through the next part of the setup process and ask you to send a verification to the email address you're adding. This verification step is important because it confirms that you own or have access to that email address. At this stage, carefully follow the on-screen procedure to send the verification to the recipient, which in this case is the domain email address you entered. If another window appears or Gmail asks for confirmation, simply proceed as instructed. Once the verification is sent, you'll need access to that email inbox so you can complete the confirmation process. Be sure to check for the verification message promptly, and if you don't see it right away, give it a minute, and also check your spam or junk folder just in case. After verification is complete, your domain email address will be available inside Gmail as a sending option. That means when you compose a new message, you can choose to send from that address instead of your regular Gmail address. That's it. You've now gone through the process of setting up your domain's email address in your Gmail account.